A big week for the stock market. The Dow climbing above 42,000 and reaching a new high Thursday. During the session, the S&P surged to new heights. Michelle Schneider is joining us now. She's with marketgauge. What are your three keys to trading this market?
We still have yet to see the small caps take out the 2024 highs. That would be a strong sign. Same thing with retail. We need to see XRT get through those 2024 highs. And transportation, by the way, is almost there, which makes us definitely more positive than negative. So I would keep my eyes there for sure, even with the S&P going already to new all-time highs. The second thing is that from a factual standpoint, 12 times the Fed has cut 0.5% when the market was near all-time highs. And all 12 times, the market was 15% higher a year later. Okay, that's a stat. And I know you can find stats to support just about anything. But let's go with that stat. What does that mean? Potential soft landing. But you know, I also love, Ange, my third thing would be commodities, right? And we have to keep an eye on them as well, because although they're still relatively underperforming, depending on where you look, it's also possible that the stimulation and any kind of growth in the economy will spur on the commodity sector, in which case at some point we have to say what happens there. And right now, soft landing seems to be the best narrative, but we know things can change very quickly.
Do you have a trade of the day?
DBC, which is actually 14 different commodities. After this announcement, and also the week even before the announcement, that sector was starting to creep up and show bullish divergence in momentum, but it has stopped short of the 50-day moving average, which means still in a bearish phase. So if we get a couple of closes over that 50 and we improve in phase, I think not only would that be a good way to track some of these commodities, but it would also be at least some kind of a heads up on watching commodities as we move forward.
Thank you for your Trader Talk, Mish.
Thank you so much, Angie.
Go to